In this video, I will show you how to utilize the powerful text-to-speech features in Adobe Express to enhance your video projects with professional voiceovers. Adding a voice to your content can make it much more engaging and accessible for your audience. And luckily, Adobe makes this process incredibly simple within their online editor. To get started, you first need to open your project and look at the left-hand toolbar on your screen. Look for the button labeled Media and click on it to open the sub-menu. Once the Media panel is visible, you will see several tabs at the top. You want to select the Audio tab to view all the sound options. Right under the search bar, you will notice a feature called AI VoiceOver. Click on that to open the text-to-speech interface. Now you will see a script field box where you can type or paste the exact text you want the AI to read aloud. It is a good idea to check your spelling and punctuation here to ensure the voice sounds natural. After your script is ready, it is time to choose the right voice. You can browse through a variety of speaker profiles to find a person that fits your brand. You can also select the language and even the specific tone or emotion of the voice from the drop-down